Hello and welcome to another ARZ POS tutorial. Today we'll be teaching you how to do reports. To go to your report, simply click Manager and head up to the Reports tab. Now you have three different tabs that will appear. We'll be starting with Daily Summary. Once you click Daily Summary, on the right hand side you can see all the different types of reports. Daily Summary, Driver, cancelled or refunded during the day, item deletion, the cash draw. The cash draw is where you'll submit your end of day. Workers pay, sales type, item sales, category sales, daily expenses, Dropbox, and hourly report. We'll be starting off with the cash draw. It's very simple to submit your end of day. Simply click cash draw and this screen will appear. You can start by entering your float down at the bottom left. Everyone has a different float, so just enter whatever your float is and click Update Float. Your till will automatically update. As you can see, it says minus 450. Filling in at the end of the day is very simple. You simply remove the float from your till, which is $450. You can do this by entering the amount of what's in your till into every single tab. For example, if I have $10 worth of 10-cent pieces, I simply enter $10 worth of 10-cent pieces, which is 100 10-cent pieces. Just be mindful, this also includes what's in your drawer at the end of day. Now that I've taken the 100 10-cent pieces out, I must also include what is in the drawer for the end of day's takings. If I have $10 worth of 20-cent pieces, you can do the same. Or you can simply remove your float and you can enter nothing here and just click Reset Float. If you reset float, this will leave you with the balance remaining in the till that you need to enter to complete your end of day. For an example, if I head out and I process a few sales, after I've processed a few sales, I'll head back to my cash drawer, and as you can see, the balance is now minus $34.50. Now, as you can see, my float is at $0, so this does not include the float. All I need to simply do is fill in what's in my cash drawer. So none of my sales today were on EFTPOS. So as you can see, EFTPOS is sitting at 0. The rest of it must be in cash. So simply fill in what's inside your cash drawer. And as you can see, it balances out. It will give you the total amount of each dollar value. So if I have one 50-cent piece, it'll tell me I have 50 cents worth of 50-cent pieces. If I have two $1 coins, it'll show me that I have $2 worth of $1 coins. It's a very simple system. Up the top right, it shows expenses. Now, expenses are filled in during the day of things that are taken out of the till. If you have to pay for an account or you have a cash on delivery order and you have to take the cash out of the till, when you do so, simply come back to the Managers tab and you can see the drawer activities. If you have an expense, simply enter the amount. For example, if I received a box of eggs, I must enter the price of the eggs, which is $36, the expense details, which is eggs, and click Update. As you can see, the cash drawer expense is $36. If you've entered the wrong amount, you can simply click Reset Expenses and it resets the expenses back to 0. But we'll resubmit the eggs. Click Update, and if we head back to our daily summary, in the cash drawer, my expenses are sitting at $36. So when you've entered the expenses, the drawer will automatically update. Now that I've taken $36 out of the drawer, the balance is now at positive $36. So this means that at the end of your day, when you are counting your till, it will automatically adjust so your till is not out. You can also track your expenses. If you head down to the Daily Expenses tab, it will tell you what was added, the expense amount, and the description. You can also check your hourly report. As you can see, between the hours of 8 and 9 a.m., you can see how many sales were processed, the total of the sales, and if they were takeaway, delivery, eat-in, or pickup. Most tabs are very self-explanatory, such as the worker's pay. It will have the worker's name and their hours. Item deletion, you can see what items were deleted from your register that day, same as what items were cancelled and refunded. They're very self-explanatory. Daily summary is an overall review on your register. You can also review different days of the week. So if you come to the top left, you can change the day of the week. So if I go to the 8th, I can go to the 7th. Make sure, if you wish to view a particular day, make sure you click from and to and change them to the same date. Or you can view up until the current day for the last 2 days, and it'll show you complete total. Once you have finished filling in all expense details and your cash drawer, simply exit. And now you have finished. You've successfully submitted your end of day. We'll now look at the sales summary tab. The sales summary tab is a good way to track things that you have sold and sales daily, weekly, or monthly, quarterly. You can check your daily by simply clicking the daily. You can check the weekly, the monthly, and the quarterly. You can also check the items that you have sold. Now the items tab will take a while to load as there are many items on your register. And as you can see, you are displayed with everything that you have ever sold. So as for example, the quantity sold of a bacon egg roll is 853. Today we sold 1. That's 1 this month. That's 2 last month, 3 months, 4 months, and so on. You can also export your items. Simply click Export, name the file, select a destination, and click Save. It is now saved to your computer, and you can access these files at any time. It will export as an Excel file that can be sent via email, or you can use on your own computer. The next reports we'll be checking is called the Crystal Reports. The Crystal Reports are great. It is the quickest way to check your daily summary, your sales average, and your hourly report. By clicking Sales Summary, you can see how much you have earned today, how many sales, and your sales average. The hourly report shows you how much you have earned for each hour. It will also provide you with a projection on your average. You can click Item Sales, and it can show you what items you have sold and the quantity of that item and percentage of your sales. If you click Category Sales, it will show you the percentage and the quantity and the sales amount of what was sold from certain categories. And lastly, if you click Dashboard, it will display more information. It'll show you what your best hour was, being your sales, number of sales, and what your average sale was. It'll show you what the best staff member had sold, number of sales, the net amount, tax amount, and your total amount. You'll also have 3 different graphs, a pie graph, a bar graph, and a line graph. You'll also have your top selling staff down the bottom right hand corner. Now, if at any time you wish to view any of this information on the previous day, or if you'd like to check this over the whole week, simply head up to the top right corner where it says days. Click it, and you can view today, yesterday, the last 7 days, or bi-yearly. So if I want to click check yesterday, so if I want to check yesterday's, I can click yesterday, and simply to refresh, click any of the tabs, and it'll show you what you had. And it will show you what you have earned on those days with the same information. Thank you for watching another ARZ POS tutorial.